Welcome back. We had about 4 inches of snow last night. Starting to warm up a little bit. We're supposed to be around 40 today. This is a 1650. Going to get the motor out. It's actually going to be going to Attica, New York. We're going to get it removed before the snow melts on it, and so it's not dripping on us. Can't wait to do this job. Well, we'll get the hood off, and that's where we're going to start. We'll get the wiring on hook for the headlights. Half inch. The hinge is cracked right there. Next, I'm going to unhook the controls here. That's a little bit of a tough job. And I don't want to trim them, but if I have to, I will. I don't want to take the carburetor air cleaner off. Well, for now, we're going to try to get this removed. We might have to make a slice in there. When they've been sitting outside, they come apart hard. Now this side here has the bolt, and it's 7/16 right there. So we're going to get the starter wire off next. 7/16 for that. Right there was a clutch wire. So actually, the motor is completely unhooked. From the wiring. Taking the muffler off, and the reason why is the motor mounts are right underneath there. I'm going to take off this side shield here. Then we're going to go back to the controls. I'm going to think that out a little bit, exactly how I'm going to do it. I don't really want to trim them controls, but we might have to. Now, I'm probably going to get some fan mail that they never made an 18. Actually, they did. An 18 had overhead valves. They put them in the errands. John Deere, I think, used a couple too. But they were only a 1-year production. Had a lot of problems. They would scatter. These 16 horses, right here, they put a screw in right here, so we'll see how that comes out. Now we ruined the firewall, but you never sell them anyways. And I'll have to replace that piece right there, which is no big deal. Probably as hot as that is, I probably should put some WD-40 on it. And after I get done filming this, it probably will come right out. So now we're going to disconnect the drive. Definitely want to do that so when you start taking the motor out, it'll come out a lot easier. The motor mounts aren't too bad. The bottom one is shot. See how tight that area is, but this motor's out and ready for delivery. Thank you so much for watching. It isn't even noon yet, and well, the kitty's already hungry, so that's my shop manager right there. But the motor's out and ready to go to its new home. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and we'll see you on the next video.